In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Woocommerce. We'll start in a browser and use Google to quickly get to the right place. In the search box, type Woocommerce and press Enter. In the results, look for the official Woocommerce site at woocommerce.com. It should have the recognizable brand name and a secure lock icon in the address bar. Results may include ads at the top. Skip anything labeled ad or sponsored, and choose the organic result for the official woocommerce.com domain. Open that result to head straight to Woocommerce's homepage. Once you're on the site, we're going to the area where add-ons live. From the top navigation, choose Extensions. On mobile, tap the menu icon first to reveal the navigation, then select Extensions. Depending on your region, it may also be labeled Marketplace, but it leads to the same catalog of official and partner integrations that extend your store's capabilities. On the Extensions page, use the search field you'll see near the top. Type WCC Hubspot for Woocommerce, exactly like that. This is the connector that bridges your store data with HubSpot's CRM, so you can sync contacts and orders and power up your marketing automation. After you enter the term, submit the search or let the suggestions load. If it doesn't appear immediately, narrow the results by relevance or filter by categories like marketing or CRM to surface it faster. When you see the listing named WCC HubSpot for Woocommerce, take a moment to confirm the title matches your query and glance at the short description. It's a good idea to check compatibility details, the last updated date, supported Woocommerce versions, and any pricing notes before you proceed. Go ahead and open that listing. The product page gives you a complete overview. Feature highlights, screenshots, documentation links, and FAQs. Use this page to verify system requirements, such as your WordPress, WooCommerce, and PHP versions, and to understand the license and support policy. The changelog can also help you see how actively the extension is maintained. If the integration relies on specific HubSpot features, note any account-level requirements so there are no surprises later. And that's it for this walkthrough. You used Google to find the official WooCommerce site, navigated to extensions, searched for WCC HubSpot for WooCommerce, and opened its detail page. Pause the video at any time to follow along, and once you've reviewed the information on the listing, you'll be well prepared to take the next steps that fit your store's needs.